In this video, we're going to talk about fact and opinion statements. Is it a fact or an opinion? I will start talking about fact statements. A fact is a statement that can be proven true or false. Let's have a look at this example. People use their legs to walk. To find out whether this statement is a fact, I can look at people around me and see if they use their legs to walk or not. I can see that people do use their legs to walk. This means my statement is true. However, I can also see that there are very few people on wheelchairs. That means my statement is false. In either case, whether my statement is true or false, it will still be a fact because I could prove it. 1 liter of water weighs 1 kilogram. Here I have two options. I can either do an experiment and see if 1 liter of water equals 1 kilogram, or I could look up the information on the internet to see whether this is true or false. I did option 2 because it was easier, and I found out that my statement is true. This means that my statement is a fact. Remember, if you can prove your statements true or false, your statements will be facts. Now let's talk about opinion statements. An opinion is a statement that shows what somebody thinks or how he feels about something or someone. Beethoven is the greatest composer. The word greatest here shows what somebody thinks about Beethoven. While this person believes that he's the greatest, another may think that he's not the greatest. Because we can have different opinions in this statement, we will consider that this statement is an opinion statement. Dogs are cute. The word cute here is an adjective describing the word dogs. At the same time, it shows what someone thinks about dogs. We all know that people may have different opinions about dogs. While you may think that they are cute, others may think that they are scary. Again, when we have two different opinions about the same topic, that means the statement is an opinion. It may rain today. Look at the word may here. The word may means maybe, probably, so we are not sure whether it's going to rain today or not. Because we are not sure, the statement cannot be a fact. It will be an opinion. So from all these examples, we notice that when we have words like greatest, cute, may, think, believe, good, bad, our statements will become opinion statements. Now let's read this text and decide whether each sentence has a fact or an opinion in it. The UK is a great place to live. We notice that this sentence has the opinion word great, which means that this is an opinion statement. It is made up of England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. This is a fact statement because I can look up the information on the internet and see whether the UK is made up of England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. The climate is mild, with most of the country experiencing cold, wet winters and cool summers. This is again another fact statement. I know that by looking up the information on the internet to see whether this country experiences cold, wet winters and cool summers. Now let's move to the last statement. London, which is the capital city, is one of the best cities in the world. We can see that this sentence has a fact and an opinion in it. The first part shows that London is the capital city, whereas the second part has the word best in it, which is an opinion word that shows what somebody thinks about London. So we have both an opinion and a fact within the same sentence. In this session, we looked at fact and opinion statements and learned how to distinguish between them.